Veggie Ventures, a journey to Healthville. Broccoli. Bob, the main character, a fun-loving, adventurous broccoli who is always ready to learn new things. Carrot Carla, Bob's best friend, a smart and witty carrot who loves to solve problems. Tomato Tim, the wise old tomato who guides Bob and Carla on their adventures. Pepper Patty, the energetic and sporty Pepper who teaches kids about the importance of physical activity. Absolutely! Let's expand our VeggieVille universe, Eggplant Eva, a mysterious and enchanting spinach. Sally, a strong and brave spinach leaf who's always ready to protect her friends. Pumpkin Paul, a jolly and generous pumpkin who loves to share his knowledge about the importance of vitamins. Beetroot Ben, a shy but smart beetroot who can solve any problem with his quick thinking. Cabbage. Chris, a funny and friendly cabbage who loves to make everyone laugh with his jokes. Onion Olivia, an onion with many layers. Olivia is full of surprises and always has a trick up her sleeve. Radish Rachel, a speedy radish who loves races and teaches kids about the importance of physical activity. Corn Connor, a tall and wise cornstalk who provides guidance and wisdom to the younger veggies. Pea Patty, a small but mighty pea who proves that size doesn't matter when it comes to being healthy. 4. Zucchini Zach, a cool and laid-back zucchini who teaches kids about the importance of relaxation and mental health. Each of these characters will have their unique personalities and roles in the story, making the VeggieVille universe more diverse and engaging for the kids. Cucumber Kathy, a cool and calm cucumber who helps others manage stress and teaches about the importance of mental health. Asparagus Andy, a tall and slender asparagus who loves sports and teaches kids about the importance of physical activity. If Garlic Gary, a strong and brave garlic who isn't afraid of anything and teaches kids about courage. Mushroom Molly, a fun-loving mushroom who loves to dance and teaches kids about expressing themselves through art. Potato Pete, a wise old potato who shares stories and wisdom with the other characters. Radish Rita, a fast and energetic radish who loves to race and teaches kids about friendly competition. Turnip Tim, a hard-working turnip who never gives up and teaches kids about perseverance. We've had an amazing adventure today, and we've learned so much about the importance of eating our veggies. But the journey doesn't have to end here. You can join us in Healthville, too. Start by adding more vegetables to your plate every day. Remember, each vegetable has its own superpower that can help you grow strong and healthy. So, are you ready to take the Veggie Ventures challenge? We've had an amazing adventure today,